Hello people, welcome to my channel HK Swag Tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn about how to install Wamp server directly. So let's first of all open your favorite browser. You can open any browser like Opera, Chrome, Firefox. So my favorite browser is Chrome browser. So I will open Chrome browser. Then search Wamp server. The first link you will get. The official website for Wamp server is wampserver.com. I will click on that, then click on download section, then click on download. There are basically two options. First one is Wamp server 32-bit. It is only for 32-bit operating system. Then second one is Wamp server 64-bit. So I'm using the 64-bit operating system. So I will click on Wamp server 64-bit x64 3.2.0. It is the latest version. So you can download it by filling this form and you can download it directly. I will download it directly. Then click on download latest version. So I have already downloaded it. So I will not download it again. Then I will use programs Wamp server. So So the next procedure is how to install it. You can use your language in which you are suitable. The select language that you use during. There are basically two languages, English and French. I will choose this English. Click on OK. Then you can read these license agreements. So click on next. Then next. Which space? Then click next. Then next. Then next. It will take so much little time to install. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, it will be installed in the system. Share and subscribe. So it is asking that Internet Explorer will be used as browser by server. If you want to choose another browser, you can yes. Otherwise, no. I will choose yes. So it's updated. Wait about for 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Next, click on next and finish. The Wamp server is installed in your system successfully. Congratulations. So if you have learned something from this tutorial, you can share and subscribe my channel and like this video so that everyone can get benefit from this. Thank you.